Welcome to Mature Design. Today we will be talking about how we can use branding in designing our user interface. In user interface design, it is very important to reflect your brand because designing a website or designing an application on in all of these things, it's very simple that you can design like in multiple ways, but why we choose to go with some particular design and not being confused with thousands and millions of design ideas, but we still go with 2 3 ideas and we start doing the user testing. So why do we stick to certain design pattern of our website or application? So there comes the user interface design, the color, the patterns, the text, the typography. So whatever you put in over there, that reflects your brand, and that is very very important. Coming to the Myntra website, for example, we'll see that the firstly we see that the logo of Myntra is having the mixture of these two colors, and we are having a text typography of something which is very classic. Now moving further, we see that they have bold texts because Myntra is a brand. It's a brand for clothes, right? It's not Flipkart or Amazon, which is not a brand, but it's a e-commerce website where you can buy anything. But Myntra is specialized for its clothes, right? So that's why they're having this bold representation of the texts and the colors. As you can see that they have used pink color, orangish color, because it's Myntra, it comes from its brand color, right? So that's how Myntra follows it and that makes its website unique. Now what you'll see over here when I go to Sugar website, they're having the same kind of design, right? This is the hero page, and this one is also your landing page. So both of them, these both designs, you'll see that it's same, right, over here and over here. So what makes these two websites different? It's color, it's typography, right? Over here, see, since the brand color of Sugar is black, so you'll find everything, mostly everything, these in fact these things are also in black. Over here everything is in black, this thing is black, buttons are black, so that's what makes it different. When we go to Myntra, you'll see colors everywhere and mostly orange and pink, right? Right, in this way. And the textile is a little bit classic, right? But coming back to Sugar, this textile has been followed, which is not very classic, right? It's simple, it's like a normal inter or roboter, right? So it's very simple style. Now let's go to bavegroup.com, and over here we'll see that they have a bold hero page, right? Over here on the landing page, they're having so many big posters of these big images representing the style, the cloth. Why? Because Brave is famous for its different creativity in their clothes, right? Being funky and being stylish and incorporating unique ideas on their clothes. So that's why they're having these big images showing their clothes, their designs, right? These patterns, because it's famous for that, and that's why they are keeping more and more images everywhere. And you can again see the textile is kind of monster or something like that, so it's kind of flat, and that goes with the funky prints everywhere, right? So that's how. And the colors, as you can see, it comes from the logo that is black, and it makes it, they made it colorful actually, with colors that are suiting the color of the dress. So that's what Wave Grove has done. So that's how we can see that. And also the brand color yellow and black, so definitely this button is again yellow, and these things are yellow and then black, right? So that's how you can use the brand colors and a unique typography to actually shape your website and make your brand, right? And what kind of a theme you want to show, and what kind of connection you want to show to your users. You want to be classic, you want to be very look really cheap to the user, so that they think that yeah, I can afford this particular thing. So what you want to show, you have to design it that way, right? So that's how you can master user interface and make a very great user interface design. So great, just subscribe the channel for more content like this and like the video.